welcome to Jensen channel. Today we'll be making a very interesting thing. It's called virtual snow. So you might be thinking about this, but it's not. So first we will be painting a sprite and zoom in and make a circle, I guess. Just make a circle, which is white, 0, 0, 100. Oh, and make sure, guys, if you want realistic snow, you must not have any, any stuff. So 27x27 is good. And just for test demo, you're not supposed to do this. I'll just put one white thing so I can see my snow. Oh, it's too big, guys. So this doesn't have any scripts in mind. So about 16x17. So guys, first we will need to name this snow. Okay. So next we will be making we will be making our backdrops. So I'll just convert this to vector and make this cool thing. It's this thing, cool, darker to lighter. So this is nice, guys. How's the line here? Who knows? Okay, guys. So first we'll say at the snowflake sprite, I'll say when green flag clicked, we'll need to take extension Cuphead. But clearly use scratch add-ons up at the extension bar, which I haven't, resized it there. So if you want to install it, just go to scratchaddon.com and install it. So first I'll say when green flag clicked, erase off. Then hide. We're making stamps of this, so we will need it to hide. Now set size to, instead of 50, you can set size to 10. 50 is too small, guys. So 70, I'll show it first. So this is 70, I guess. Hide it. Then forever, create a clone. I'm saying create a clone. Then wait 0.03 seconds. Then after that, I'll take out when I start as a clone block and go to pick random. Negative 220 to 220. And Y negative 70. Negative 70. So now I'll say change size. You'll see later. Pick random 0 to 3. We know it a lot. 0 to 3. Okay? 0 to 3. Then I'll show it when I start the clone. I'll say forever. Change X by 3. And change X. Another change X. Oh, change Y by 3. Sorry, guys. Pick random. Negative 1 to Y. Okay, I found a solution, guys. So I'll, instead of negative 70, I put it set 1 to 70, just a simple error. And guys, so let's see it. See, guys, it's all like this. Just piling up like bottom like real snow. But why is it not hiding? So wait, I'll just pin this. Or is this a different? Oh yeah, it's because I put the outside. But for you, it won't be a problem, guys. So let's try this and check out if we really. Oh, why is it like this? Oh yeah. Instead of this, I'll put an and. Pick random 1, right? Pick random 1. Take the equal sign and pick random to 1 to 6. is equal to 1, guys, 1. Then I will stamp and delete this clone like just now, but we won't do it like that. So next, if I'll just make a new sprite. I'll take out a new sprite, cause snowman. So just take this one if I want to. No, not this one, not snowflake. Snowman, guys, snowman. Don't put snowflake, okay? Snowman. I'll just put it here. And if touching snowman, touching snowman. So after I touch the snowman, then I'll just do the same thing. Seems like the snow does this. But guys, so now we already at the sprite. I'll say when green flag clicked at the, I'll add a new sprite and name it invisible. And this, I'll just, do this. So I'll say, click on the paint symbol and set it to red, I guess. I'll add something. I'll say, so I'll just add it like this. Make it bigger, okay guys, bigger. Just super big, guys. So after that, I'll say when green flag click, I'll set the ghost effect. Ghost, okay guys, ghost. The creepy ghost. And switch costume to no, nothing really. I will not switch costume. And after that, I'll say go to 0, 0. See, so guys. So go back to the snow thing and say and go down there. There's something wrong, guys. Oh, so I'll change the scripts and delete these stuff, but leave behind one of them. And instead of such snowman, I was touching the invisible creepy one. Pick around 20, guys, not 1. 1 equals to 1. I'll stamp and delete this clone. If you're on turbo mode, I just look at this. Get off turbo mode. It'll look like this. So if you don't put anything here, it's quite nicer. So I'll say there's something wrong, guys. If more is less than let me check more than or less than. More than negative 175. That means I'll change this to less than 175. So guys, this is what happens when it's nice. So you can say all these nice stuff and all these nice stuff. Okay guys, so this is how you make, delete this too. This is how you make a super easy script for your snow, guys. So bye guys, see you next time, bye.